Welcome back to what's probably the last over of this IPL debate. IPL, is it sport or entertainment? Let me ask the audience here first. How many of you actually believe that those who oppose IPL, it's a case of sour grapes? Shihan Hussaini? Okay, no, not too bad actually for you.
Yes,
all right.
Yes.
All right.
I have converted them.
You have converted them, all right. You don't have anti-conversion law now, but okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Yes. Yeah, once again, yes, sir.
Sir, Hussain, sir.
Yeah.
என்னோட क्वेश्चन உங்களுக்கு தான் சார்.
கேளுங்க தமிழ்ல
தமிழ்ல
கேளுங்க.
தமிழ் தெரியல சார்.
நல்லா தெரியும்.
ஓகே, थैंक यू சார். சோ ஒரே டவுட் நான் இப்போ एक्चुअली நீங்க என்ன சொல்ல வரீங்க? ஐபிஎல் வந்து மத்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்து டிஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணது சொல்றீங்க. இப்போ ஐபிஎல்க்கு வந்து எல்லாரும் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணதா
அது மட்டும் சொல்லல.
முடிட்டோம்.
நீங்க டிஸ்ட்ராய் பண்றதா நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. एक्चुअली நீங்க சொல்ற பாயிண்ட் நானும் ஒத்துக்கறேன். ஐபிஎல் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கறனால ஓவர் பாப்புலாரிட்டியா இருக்கறனால மத்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்து வளர மாட்டுது அப்படின்ற மீன்ல நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கலாமா இது?
நான் சொல்ல நல்லா தெரியுங்க. ஐபிஎல் வந்து ஃபேமஸா இருக்கறனால அதுக்கு அகைன்ஸ்ட் நான் சொல்ல வரவே இல்லையே. நான் இவ்வளவு தூரம் இவ்வளவு என்ன கத்திட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆன்டி பேட்ரியாட்டிக், ஆன்டி கண்ட்ரி, ஆன்டி சானிட்டி. வாழ்க்கை நம்ம மனசே கெடுக்குது. இது நம்மளோட ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி, நம்ம எவ்வளவு நம்மளுடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாத்தையும் கெடுக்குது. அது நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்டி பேட்ரியாட்டிக்கா இருக்கு. அது ஆன்டி ஸ்போர்ட்ஸா இருக்கு. அதுதான் சொல்ல வரேன். இது இல்லன்னு சொல்ல வரீங்க. இருக்கனால பண்ணது சொல்லவே இல்லை.
மத்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல இது இல்லன்னு சொல்றீங்களா நீங்க? என்னங்க? மத்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல இது இல்லன்னு சொல்ல வரீங்க.
மத்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல இல்லன்னு சொல்ல வரல நீங்க.
அவர் சொல்ல வராரான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
Definite anti-patriotic. எங்க சார் நம்ம எல்லாம் எல்லா ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல in all other sports the players are only representing the country. It is only in cricket that they are representing themselves and the wealthy tycoons are reeking in wealth.
Is that correct, Jeffrey? Is that
Tell me. In this country.
Yeah, there's a tennis
in this country.
Unfortunately, cricket.
Yeah, yes, Jeffrey, answer that.
Fortunately,
let Jeffrey answer that.
Fortunately, unfortunately, cricket is the most popular sport in the country. I like cricket, I like tennis, I like football. But look at football and the I-League. I mean, hardly how many people watch the I-League? One, because there are not many stars in the game. And that leads to lack of quality as far as Indian football is concerned, and that kind of affects, foreign players. I mean, attracting foreign players. Why is cricket attracting foreign players? Because we are world-class players ourselves. We won the World Cup. We won the T20 World Cup. We're number one in Test cricket at this point of time in the world. Okay, number two in. Now, if we had in football or any other sport, we had that same kind of standard. I'm sure every one of you would have been watching. Everyone watches the EPL. Everyone watches tennis.
Can IPL ever become India's Super Bowl?
I think it should. I think it should in due course. I mean, you have the EPL, which is so successful. You have NBA, which is successful. Why not? I think the world is already looking at us. I think it's an opportunity which I think the commissioner of IPL should.
Before IPL, we won the World Cup, but after IPL, we lost it.
I don't think that is an indication
of
Indian. Yeah, I really don't think that is an indication of how. I mean, whether IPL has affected or not affected the game. For one, T20 is a slam bang affair. 2 or 3 overs can make a big difference. It can help. It cannot help. I mean, who expected India to win the T20 World Cup? Considering the fact that we had not played a T20 match, international match before that.
It's not just slam bang. Let me tell you, to quote from the itinerary here, we have a special IPL fear factor segment. 42 IPL nights, IPL rockstar, scantily clad cheer girls, contest galore. Even before they go for the toss also. Yeah.
Let me tell you that Satan's juicy apple was the most tempting for Eve. Please, if FTV will get more viewers today, why did the country come down and ban FTV telecast? Because anything bad is tempting, anything tempting, people do tend to watch.
What about the hockey? They had a league which happened a few years back, and international players came here to play.
All cricketers are anti-patriotic. I'm saying that the way the game is being promoted by certain segments is anti-patriotic.
If you have a proper system to produce players from the district, state and the national level, definitely players will come and play.
So does Leander Paes only play in the Davis Cup?
Yeah.
For India, doesn't he want to make money, go and play in the other Grand Slams?
He does play.
Do you call him anti-patriotic? This is my question. Where does IPL become anti-patriotic? All our hockey players go and participate in the German league.
Yeah, that's
they
right.
play in the Dutch league because we don't have players of that repertoire to go and our football players. They go and play in the B League in England. Why not? What do they go and do there? It's not only just about owning their skills. They also make a buck there. When we, on a large scale at the world level, are having a tournament of such a large repute, we've got the muscle to get in those foreign players and come and participate here. That is what this IPL is all about. It's just not about patriotism here. It is a global event conducted in India where we're getting all the top players coming and performing here.
He said it right. The byline is the big buck.
Are we being insecure about the IPL beyond the point? There was a time when one-day cricket came and people said that one-day cricket will kill Test cricket. It hasn't killed. So now people say that IPL is going to kill Test cricket. So are we being a bit too
I'm not being insecure
sensitive
at all.
about it and
Not
insecure
at all.
about IPL as a form of cricket?
I'm pretty firm as far as my conviction is concerned that as far as IPL is concerned, everything is going to be short-lived, including its longevity.
But even when it was in South Africa, even when it was the second edition was in South Africa, it was as popular. If in the first edition it was a novel experiment, the second edition it was proven performance, and now you
Because
can see
it was a novel experience for the South Africans, so that's why.
To put it across, the gains of IPL, you are not seeing many draws in test matches today. What has T20 cricket done to the game? It's improved the quality of fielding standards, fitness levels of players have gone up, the game is no more dull. Most of them can vouch here saying, has there been a dull draw in a test match in the recent 12 months? You can hardly find one or two. You've got results in the 5-day games. That's it. That's a positive of IPL.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I want to ask a question to you, sir. Previously, you said that India Premier League have become injured players league. In every game, injury is a part of that game. Injury, the probability of getting injured is more in every game. Even in karate, actually I'm a national Silambatam player, and injury is a part of every game. But you should have said that it's like if you have said that it has become injured players league, you should have stopped them saying that.
Excuse me, I would not even have a doubt if even the cricketers are feigning injury because they do not want to play for the country but want to play for the IPL.
I would have to disagree with what he
you'll
says.
have to contest that.
There is nobody who can put up his hand and say that my country doesn't come first for me. Can anybody here say that you want to play for your state? Instead of that, you play for your, gully team?
I disagree with Srinath here straight away. There are at least 2 instances of international cricketers who have chosen to end their test career so that they could extend their T20 career.
And who would that be?
That is, one of them is Brett Lee, straight away.
Brett Lee
Brett Lee is one such instance.
Have we read into the lines of what Brett Lee said? He's been out of the Australian side for the last 18 months. He's had a selection problem there. Now he's played international cricket for a dozen years now. Will he look for a lucrative ending for his career, or will he fight it out at the age of 34 to be a faster bowler? He's looking for greener pastures.
Sanjay, I would support IPL if it kills anything of cricket.
All right, you are a cricket basher, but Harishankar Mani, I mean, Srinath making that valid point that, it's made in fact, the body language of players a lot more aggressive. Earlier you would have, when you watch a test match, yes, for the stroke play and all that, granted. But today, I mean, when you used to watch a test match, people used to often exclaim, I hope it's not another tame, boring draw. Today, you have more results even in test matches thanks to the aggression that's been infused into cricket by IPL. That's what that was Srinath's point,
T20 is an innovation in the last 2 years.
Yeah,
but
the third
test
year
matches
now,
you've been having results in the last decade.
No, but
I mean,
there
the
have been
innovation. No. Right from
I'll tell you something.
See, I'll tell you the
You
reason
had-
is
you had- no.
the reason is the Aussies play the game that way. They play to either win or lose. They don't believe in the.
The Aussies also sledge a lot.
Now, you mean to say India has picked up the game of this aggression playing against the Aussies?
Precisely.
Certainly not.
Srinath, in the
It's
last
not,
one
I'm
decade,
sorry.
the battle which has been the battle for everybody to watch is the India-Australia encounter.
Since when?
I mean, from 2000, from 2001,
Yes, now,
from 2001 to 2010, Steve Waugh has gone on record, said that is the iconic series as far as the 2 countries are concerned.
See, now even today, the Englishmen proclaim that England and Australia is the series. We say India, Pakistan is the series.
No.
But we cannot,
That is because of history, more than
we
anything
cannot
else.
do away with the fact that the nuances of test cricket still remain, but the aggression...
Now, what is happening in
that much
T20,
of flair.
Srinath, you answer this question to me.
Yeah.
In a dugout, as a traditional cricketer, you have been a first-class cricketer. In your dressing room, would you want to sit and talk about the, the finer points of the game with Neeta, with and with Shilpa Shetty?
No, you mean,
in the dugout.
you mean to say...
I find that appalling.
No.
That in the dugout,
I'm sorry.
You have all these Preeti Zintas coming and waving and talking to cricketers, giving them a hug, a bear hug, that's all. What is the contribution as far as the game is
wrong with
concerned?
that? Harishankar Mani,
Let me
what's
get
wrong
you
with
here.
that?
No.
Are you upset that Preeti Zinta didn't give you a bear hug?
No. She's not my favorite. She's not my favorite.
All right, yes,
If
yes.
Katrina Kaif had refused, then it would have been a different point.
Okay.
I'm pretty
Harishankar Mani,
sure.
don't forget to tell your wife to watch this debate.
I'm pretty sure in the corporate world, the CEO walking down to one guy and saying appreciating his work is definitely something that will come good
Walking
out.
down?
Okay. Anyway, but what I was trying to point out here is that for over 20 years in Indian football, there have been Kenyan and other international players playing. Mohan Bagan for one, but that has not increased the popularity of the game because it is a matter of interest at the end of the day. So cricket is popular in India.
No, I have no
Without
grievance.
international players, we are still going to have IPL, which is doing
My
well.
learned friend, I'm one of the greatest admirers as far as the sport is concerned, as long as it remains a sport. The entertainment part is going to be good as long as they play the game properly.
If it is not on anti-patriotism means, why no single Pakistani players are not auctioned?
I think, you know...
Have you ever played the national anthem at the end of any game? Any IPL game? I challenge you to prove me. Where is your patriotism? You're not even playing in any ordinary gathering. We are supposed to play the national anthem. You are showing your anti-patriotism by not even respecting the Indian flag.
See, with cheerleaders around, they cannot be playing the national anthem here. I mean, I can understand.
At the end of the game, why not? Why not? At the end of any game, even at the Olympics, the country's anthem is played. Why don't you play it?
That is an Olympics where you have event involving nations.
Yes, we are all Indians and the owners of the team are Indians.
You have a mic there? Yeah.
Sir, why is a player dying to take a catch and he gets carbon Kamal catch 1 lakh? Does he give it to charity?
Wherein when I played, there was no carbon Kamal. I've taken many catches that way, but certainly nobody gave me that sort of money to even think about whether I could, make that sort of a charity donation.
Dhoni got injured on his elbow with playing a rising delivery. Most rising deliveries are bowled in Test cricket. So should we outlaw Test cricket? I mean, it's a silly question, but the fact is that it happened in a T20 match. The second thing is that Rohit Sharma injured his ankle 15 minutes before a Test match playing football. Should we ban football? So we can make a lot of endless arguments about injuries, but end of the day, he's playing a game, and you can't blame an injury on a particular 45-day tournament.
Fair enough. Can a layman get injured in his life?
If the statements are directed towards us, let me tell you something. We're not saying that the injuries are deliberate. We're only saying that when you play an IPL before your World Cup or before you play for the country, the chances of getting injuries are there, and nobody wants to play. Nobody wants to.
To counter that point, India played Sri Lanka some 20 times since last June. Just Sri Lanka. I mean, every second is shown to be India is playing Sri Lanka in a tri-series. So even without the IPL, in these 45 days, BCCI would have had 1 series with Sri Lanka for sure. Exactly. If IPL was not there. So you cannot blame the IPL particularly. It's the fact that the board is not spacing its players.
The youngsters and everybody is not, willing to watch Ravi Shastri again for, over the period.
By the way, he's the one who started the chapati shot.
Yeah.
With the mic today.
You speak for yourself as far as Ravi Shastri is concerned. A lot of girls will object to it.
All right, final comment from the gentleman behind, yes.
Yeah, 4 hours, 40 overs, 400 runs. That's like 1.5 run per minute. Okay. Now, so where is cricket over here? It's like Test cricket, 60 overs, 50 overs, 20 overs, 10 overs, 5
no comparison.
overs.
All right, on that note, I think that's all the time we have for on Chennai Speaks Out. Thank you very much for making this very, very lively. Is IPL the real big blockbuster today? And has our technique actually gone for a toss with the IPL? This will be continued to be debated in the years to come. But thank you very much for joining us, panelists and the audience. From all of us on the Chennai Speaks Out team, from this brand new set of this Chennai Speaks Out team, we'll see you again next week at the same time.